guys, it's Robin. I'm watching the Texas Chainsaw Massacre 2003. Whoa. Awkward moment. Big wheels keep on turning. Turn me home to my kids.
I think you got a beautiful voice, baby.
I love this song. We're doing some action. I gotta read this stupid book. It was due Monday.
Hello?
Gotta write an essay. Looks retarded, doesn't it?
Each day, or in fact, it was actually translated. And 2/3 about your age.
Yeah, I love that dude. I love that dude right there, right there. He's sexy. Oh my Alabama, the Bible. Sideways. Whoa, I'm interesting sex.
I mean, it's like...
Okay, so I gauged my ears today. Hurts like I gotta put them back in because I had to take them out because, like, oh my god, it hurt like a motherfucker. I was crying because it hurt so freaking bad. They got stuck. My hair twisted in there while I was twisting it inside my ear hole. It got stuck. Oh wait, y'all already saw that video. I'm excited. This came from home from Walmart. In my mother's room. Face mask. How do you do this thing? Hey.
I was like, Aaron, don't drink the water down there. I did. And she didn't drink the tequila, she didn't drink the weed, smoke the weed.
Well, maybe I didn't go to Mexico as much as I should be.
Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun. I am Iron Man. Weed. Alabama. It's so cold. It feels good.
I don't remember. I'm sorry. Bad brain cells.
Is it hot? Does that refresh your memory?
No, it's maybe.
Maybe. Tell me that you did not go to Mexico.
Anyways,
We did not go to Mexico.
I'll leave y'all alone.
Hey, come on, baby. Look at me. I am not a dope smoker, okay? Tell me how much you got. How much?
Stay in school, kids.
That's it.
I kiss you.